Rain pattered against the window as Evelyn Grant, a weary journalist, hunched over her battered typewriter. The city's hum faded into the background while she stared at the blank page, searching for a story that would break through the fog of silence. Her fingers hovered uncertainly, but then the keys clattered on their own. Letters appeared, crisp and deliberate. He never left the alley. Evelyn's breath caught. The message made no sense, until the typewriter continued, each word striking like a whispered secret. August 12th, 1953. Black sedan. Midnight. She shivered involuntarily. That was the night her predecessor, Samuel Reed, vanished without a trace. The city had long whispered about corruption and hidden deals, but nothing was ever proven, and the case had gone cold. The typewriter rattled again. The ledger is buried beneath the floorboards. Heart pounding, Evelyn pried up the warped boards beneath her desk. Dust swirled in the dim light, revealing a faded leather-bound book. Inside, names and numbers matched those whispered in the newsroom for decades, evidence of a conspiracy that had been buried with silence. As dawn crept in, casting pale light across the room, Evelyn realized the city's secrets had been waiting for her to listen. The typewriter was silent now, its message delivered, and the truth was finally hers to write.